In this movie, we would like to present how Huari's system is applied for the predictive maintenance of lasers used in cutting of metals. It is a universal solution. It can be applied to a number of laser systems. Here we are presenting just an example. Here you can see the sensor of Huari's system. In this specific case, the laser working head approaches the sensor before starting the work. The beam is being characterized. Now the laser performs regular work without being affected by Huari's system in any sense. In the first go, the measurement is done using Huari's detector. Then the data is sent to the local application, and the local application sends the data to the Huari's laser cloud. Huari's laser cloud is equipped with artificial intelligence algorithms which perform automated data analysis. The laser maintenance company and the laser owner are notified about the laser malfunction fully automatically. This happens with email, SMS, or the notifications in the web application. Huari's predictive maintenance system is designed to reduce the downtime of the lasers. Thank you for your interest. Let's get in contact to check if Huari's could be used with your lasers.